You know what I love? New features. And I love showcasing to you and all the amazing people at Testimonial all the great features that we've added to our product recently. So first and foremost, I want to showcase how we have something called custom cards inside of our testimonial workspaces now, where all you have to do is go to custom cards and press add a custom card. And you have the ability to make something like this, where you can display a card that leaves a call to action and a link to something, where the style can be changed, the link can be changed. And what'll happen is if I go to my wall of love that's showcasing on my website right now, as I put it after the 8th position and rotating every 8 different times, you'll see that this is a nice little custom card that requests for people to leave a testimonial. Now, it doesn't have to just be a testimonial. It could go to other landing pages. It can be a call to action to a product to be sold. It's pretty cool to add these because there are situations in where someone would look at this and be like, oh yeah, wait, I could leave a testimonial. Oh yeah, I could purchase the product. All these are great reviews. So I definitely recommend that you add these. We have an entire video on this if you want to go check it out. We released it earlier this month. Really great update. Now, another really great option is that we actually have custom fonts for your wall of love. So if we go to our wall of love, you'll see that when it comes to more customization, now in the text section, you have been able to change the colors, and we've mentioned that, but the font family right here that has always been there, cool and all, but you can press custom font and then get the font URL. So for example, Google Fonts has a lot of these. So for example, if I looked up Roboto font on .cdn fonts, and I wanted to, for example, do this, popped in that font right there and typed Roboto, you'll notice that that font family clearly changed. This is Roboto. If I unclick it, it is different. So Roboto is something you can type in there and it'll actually change it. You don't even have to look it up too, which is cool. I can do Inter. I can do any of those other kind of like public fonts that are in that Google category. So Google fonts, you'll see some right here, like Bakersville. Let's do Montserrat, and you can see it clearly changes it to that, which is awesome. So custom fonts are an option now. Definitely try it out in your wall of love today. Another really cool option that you have is that in Spaces, so if you go to the extra settings section, after we press edit space, go to extra settings, you'll see now that there is this option for custom open graph meta tags. You can change your favicon for this right here. You have the ability to allow search engines to index your page or not. You can change the title of that page and what it would pop up for like the meta title and meta description. So a lot of new stuff in that regard. There are resources where if you click on it, you can see what the preview is for it. So that favicon ends up being like what's added to the link that you share to like Twitter or LinkedIn. Really cool stuff. I think there's always a great ability for customization with everything we do, and we want to continuously add that to our product. So definitely check this out and check out all the other sort of extra setting items that we have. I think there are a lot of these that are a little bit unknown to the user base here. So definitely want you to check that out. And another update that I really enjoy is if you go to Wall of Love and more customization, you do have the ability to adjust the tags, right? So there's a design level for the tags. So you can change any of these different colors to adjust what the tags would actually look like. As you can see, the buttons or the text itself can be adjusted. I really like this because if you have a bunch of different tags and you want to make it pop on that landing page where you showcase it on your Wall of Love, definitely an improvement from just the default colors that exist there. So customizations all over the place. We're adding them left and right. If you enjoyed this updates video, make sure to subscribe so you continuously get these different updates and learn more about a product on a monthly basis. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.